Which electronic dartboard is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Arachnid Cricket Pro. First up is the Arachnid Cricket Pro Tournament Quality Dartboard, priced at $316.22. What caught my attention was its regulation 15.5-inch target size and the massive variety of games it offers. If you want an authentic arcade-style gameplay experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That means you and your friends can always find a game that keeps the fun going. Plus, the 8-player LED scoring screen shows real-time scores and averages, making it easy for everyone to stay in the loop. The nylon segments are super durable, helping you avoid the frustration of bounce-outs, which can ruin your game. With over 200 units sold in the last month, it's clear people are excited about this one. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about darts and want a board that feels professional, the cost is justified. You'll be investing in quality that lasts. This is perfect for you if you host game nights or want a serious setup in your man cave. Skip this one if you're looking for something cheap and casual. Now, if the price of the Cricket Pro bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more budget-friendly features. Product number 2, PAETAE Dartboard Set. Next up is the PAETAE Electronic Dartboard with Cabinet Set, which goes for $217.56. The mahogany finish and built-in LED display really caught my eye. If you're looking for a stylish board that's packed with features, this one is definitely worth a look. The PAETAE board offers 45 games and 474 options, so there's no shortage of fun. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, you can enjoy a variety of play styles. The large XO cricket display keeps scores visible, and the heckler feature adds a fun twist with voice prompts that celebrate your successes or tease your misses. This is really cool for keeping the atmosphere lively during game nights. With more than 100 units sold recently, it seems to be getting a lot of love. However, I did notice some feedback about the volume control being a bit tricky to adjust. But honestly, once you figure it out, the fun factor is worth it. It might be a deal breaker if you prefer silence while playing, but for most, it adds to the excitement. This is perfect if you want a classy, interactive dartboard that looks great in any game room. Skip this one if you need a super quiet setup for practice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more no-fuss setup. Product number 3, Arachnid Cricket Max 4. Now let's talk about the Arachnid Cricket Max 4, priced at $323.81. The first thing that hits you is the bold design of the extra-large XO scoring display. If you want a board that stands out while maintaining a pub feel, definitely check this out. The Cricket Max features a 13.5-inch target area and 37 games with 315 variations. The board supports up to 8 players, making it perfect for parties. The solo computer play with varying difficulty levels is also a great feature for those looking to improve their skills. It's no wonder this board has garnered attention in the dart community. Some users have mentioned that it can take a bit of time to set up, which can be annoying. But here's the thing, once you get it going, the gameplay experience is smooth and engaging, making that initial setup worth it. This one is perfect for you if you love hosting dart parties and want a board that can handle multiple players with ease. Skip it if you're looking for something with a simpler setup process. Now, if that setup time is a concern for you, the next board is easier to install. Product number 4, Gukaz Electronic Dartboard. Up next is the Gukaz Electronic Dartboard, retailing at $227.68. What I loved was the classic cherry design and the fun lighting effects that come with it. If you want a dartboard that adds a bit of flair while you play, this could be it. This board offers 50 games and 491 variations, which is impressive. It displays scores for up to 4 players, and the colorful LED lights flash when you hit specific segments, making it visually engaging. The heckler mode adds humor and keeps the mood light perfect for gatherings. With good reviews coming in, it's clear that people appreciate its entertaining features. However, I noticed some reviews pointing out that the LED lights can be distracting during play. I get that, but they can also enhance the experience by making it more interactive. If you prefer a more traditional setup, this might not be your favorite. This is great for anyone wanting a fun and lively addition to their game room. Skip this if you want a purely serious darting experience. Alright, that was a fun option. But if you want something a bit more elegant, this next board might catch your interest. Product number 5, Arachnid Electronic Dartboard. Finally, we have the Arachnid Electronic Dartboard priced at $240.33. The elegant design really stands out. It's perfect for blending with any decor. If you care about aesthetics as much as gameplay, this board is definitely worth considering. With 45 games for up to 8 players, it offers a solid variety for any gathering. The cabinet design with built-in holders for 6 darts adds convenience, which is something everyone can appreciate. This board is attracting attention with its stylish look and functionality. One downside is that some users found assembly a bit confusing at first. But honestly, once you figure it out, the setup is straightforward and worth the effort for such a sleek design. This is perfect for you if you want a dartboard that looks good in your home while providing a fun playing experience. Skip this one if you want a board that's ready right out of the box without any setup. So to wrap things up, we looked at 5 fantastic electronic dartboards today. The Arachnid Cricket Pro is great for serious players, while the PAETAE is stylish and interactive. The Cricket Max offers great features for parties, and the Gucaz adds fun lighting effects. Finally, the Arachnid stands out for its elegant design. Each of these boards has something unique to offer depending on your needs, so choose wisely.